today's video is being sponsored by VJ Heart. Thank you, VJ Heart, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, I know that time of the year has passed, but guess what? You can still buy something for your loved one. Guys, head over to vjheart.com to check out their great styles that they have. Right now, I'm able to open up a very, very important gift that was gifted to me, and it is a beautiful, beautiful tennis bracelet that can be worn every day. Guys, check out this bracelet. You will love it. Your loved one will love it. Go ahead and check it out. It is so cute. I love it. And I also have matching earrings to go with it as well that I did purchase in the past, so it's a perfect pair. Guys, go ahead and check it out at readyourheart.com. And I also was gifted with something that is so beautiful to go with it. I want to also show you guys that as well. But this bracelet is so casual. You can wear it every day. You can wear it when you're going out on a date. You can wear it when you go to a special occasion. Any way you want to wear it, you can wear it. Read Your Heart has the best jewelry ever. And this is probably my second or third time getting from them. I was also able to purchase a beautiful ring. I wanted an everyday ring that I could wear every day, or on a regular, or even on a special occasion, but this ring is very beautiful. Read Your Heart has engagement rings, promise rings, any ring that you could think of for your loved one. You could go ahead and purchase it online at readyourheart.com. This ring is so beautiful. It goes so beautiful with my bracelet as well. And my earrings, guys, go ahead and check it out. Just go on their website. You could get earrings, you could get rings, you could get bracelets, you could get necklaces, anything you could think of, you could get it online. Go ahead and log on now, guys. Tell them that I sent you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
This is a preview file. This is a preview file. This is a preview file.
Thank you.
And ready to order?
That's good.
The kids' food, they come out like a little faster, unless you want.
It's fine.
Okay. But yours, don't worry.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Again, just be careful, very hot.
Okay, sit back,
Watch
baby.
your fingers.
Thank you.
Some French fries.
What do you say?
You're welcome. Any cheese
You and cheese?
on the pasta? I got it.
Thank you. Poor daddy. Happy Sunday! But I went to recording all the time. So we got the kids so we could take our pictures for Christmas. We got our pajamas for the family. What else should we get? We don't have the kids today. What should we get, guys? How are you guys, by the way? Did you guys miss us? I know it's been a very long time. But we here, just sliding through before the end of the year. We're good. Hope you guys are good. And happy holidays. Gotta get the kids at gingerbread house. Because you know us, every year we do gingerbread, make a gingerbread. They got some interesting ones here. So hard, guys. I'm trying to find something for Dion and Aubrey teachers, and I don't know what to do this year. Like, I'm so not creative like I used to be. I don't know. I think I'm losing my touch, guys. Also, we don't have a star for the top of our tree, and I'm really trying to figure out what do I want to get. This is too colorful for me. Oh, look at this one, guys. This one is really nice. Because we don't have a tree. I mean, we don't have a star or anything. This one is kind of cute too. I don't know if I like the colorfulness in it. Cause our gold tree color this year is black, gold, and green. I think I like this one. Even though some of the pearls is coming off. But for the most part, I think it looks good. Let's see how much it is. This is really cool. Okay, let's see.
What's the baby saying?
15. I guess what I have to do for now, guys. Because I've been looking, and believe it or not, a lot of things are sold out.
Look. The iron and steam, bro. Look, stop watching me. Look, come back now.
I don't think it's something we need right now.
Wayne, bro.
Absolutely the fucking not. Not for my son. Not for my 4-year-old. It's an age plus 8 plus. So we'll see you in a few years. In a few years. Morning, then. About to call you Tinzel, Mr. Dion. How are you?
Yeah.
Nice. What's up, Aubrey?
What's up?
How are you?
Good. That's Grandpa?
Oh, your phone. Oh, that's charging.
Yeah.
So we're going to their school because they're having something for Christmas. So let's see how this goes.